Hello, I want to tell you about the main parameters in the BVE software. There's two opportunities to get to the parameters. There's one button here, or you go to the parameters and go to online. If you go here to edit parameters, all the time the online parameters. If you go to this online parameters, the hardware, the computer downloads the parameters which are stored in the AOA sensor, the black AOA sensor. Here you see the online parameters. There are different patterns here. I will tell you only some of the process parameter and some of the alarm parameters. If you see here, you have the LED measuring time is how long it measures is every 2 seconds. Yeah, then you have a measuring interval. If it's in continuous mode, then it is. If the measurement take longer than the measuring interval, then it makes each after each other. The number of F measurements is 1. The F0 measuring duration time is 6, and the FM measurement time is 5. The F measurement is 5, and the transmission measurement is also 5. And if you increase these numbers, it gets more accurate because the measuring frequency is 1 kilohertz, and it makes a mean of 1 kilohertz measurements for 5 seconds. And as more measurement, as more accurate the measurement will be. The minimum of activity calculation, if the concentration is too low, then it makes no sense to make the activity measurement. You can enter comment on start measurement, and you can make a comment in the data. And here you can decide if you have activity measurement. If you say on, the activity measurement will be done. If you make it off, then you have no activity measurement. Then here the continuous measurement is on here. That is that it makes measurement each after each other with no stop. And then you have a sample per channels and so on. It's not so important, but you have the interval measurement, the pump mode. You can also say the pump should be always on or always off, but interval is all the time. During the activity measurement, you should make an interval measurement. Then you have to interval. Sorry. Then you have this pump time to start up all the time. If you start up the pump, you should flush the whole pipes, and how long the pipes will flushed will be here 10 minutes. And how long it is to fill the sensor, how long the pump has to start to fill the sensor. Because if you have, for example, the intake pipe is 10 meters long, you need a longer time to fill the sensor. If the intake pipe is only a few meters, then you have to can decrease the pump fill time. That you can measure it how long it takes until the water is in the at the outlet of the AOA. To refill the sensor is 5 seconds. How long it should be pumped after cleaning? If every cleaning the piston goes up and down, then you have to clean the situation. Then you have the pump time rinse and the hose. It's only for batch measurement. And the cleaning interval, you can decide how long it be. It's 3 hours, I think, once a day, or it depends on how is the fouling activity of the water. Force cleaning after first measurement, you can say, okay, if you start, it should starts with the cleaning, but yeah, that's not mode. Yeah. If you have valves, you can say that it should be interval measurement. Pump installed, yes, you could not, it's all the time that is blocked here, you could not do it. F measure time, attention time is 22 seconds, 40 seconds and 25 seconds. That the process parameters, I think the main thing you have to change would be if you have an activity measurement on and off, and you have to say how long the pump should pump till the water is inside. The other things are not really important if you have a 24/7 measurement. The second parameter set is the alarm parameters. You can set alarms to the different algae or to the different measurements you have, and you can say, okay, for example, confirmation of the alarm is that if the alarm occur, then you can say the alarm is away. Then you can measure alarm limit for green algae. For example, if the green algae concentration gets higher than 50 microgram per liter, and you say on, then it will be an alarm alarm with the green algae. And the same is with the limit of blue algae. With all of this installed calibrated algae, you can set an alarm, and that is all you can do. If there's no name behind, then it is only spare part if you have for further or other calibration of other algae. But it's only possible to make a fit of 5 algae groups to get good results with these LEDs. That is the main thing you have to know, and if you change something, you have to apply it, and then it will start. It will be stored at the sensor. You say export. Okay, then it will be exported to there. That is what I want to tell you about the parameter set of the algae online analyzer. Thank you very much.